So there's like no video online how to remove the carpet for an EJ Civic that I've found that's been helpful. And through trial and error, I eventually figured it out. The problems that I was having was just where to undo certain clips and stuff like that. And like I was reading, you have to like pull out body panels, and you have to pull out this, that, and that. And that's not really true. I'm gonna show you guys just how to do it, because like I said, there was no video, like a helpful video that taught me how to do it. So through trial and error, ripping and pulling, I kind of figured out how to do it. Currently, this is what I've been doing. As you guys can see, like I said, this needs to come out ASAP. This is disgusting. So the hardest part was removing the back seat. And so some people are like, what do you mean it was the hardest part? It was the hardest part for me because, like I said, there was no like helpful tutorials online that told me step by step exactly what to do. So first things first, if you want to start from the back and work your way forward, remove this carpet. If you look on the left or the right side of the, I guess the left side of the car, there is a 10mm bolt that you need to undo. It's between the back seat and then the seat where it starts. You just gotta undo that. And once you undo that, you can fold the whole seat forward. There's clips right here and one on that side as well. You just pull it up. It's like a zigzag shape. So you pull up, out, and up again, and then it pops out, and then that's what it looks like. I'm probably just gonna trash this entire interior because it's really dirty, and I want to get different. I want to get like the dark gray interior. But either way, okay. So once you do that, there are several pins. They look like these right here. This little black pin. So I just got the carpet, and I just like see there's a hole right there. You just kind of pull it over. I was also told that you have to take off these panels right here and all this other crap. You don't need to do that at all. You literally just take it and kind of, once you get the seat out, pop all the remove all the little pins, like pull it up so it gets from up under that pin, and it'll come up like this kind of, and then you just kind of pull it from the side, just pull it out, and it'll, you know, just slowly come out. Now these part right here, it's connected by these little clips right here, and it goes inside there. All you gotta do is just literally just pull it out, all the way around on that side as well, and then you get to the center console. So the center console honestly is the easiest to take out. My mom just pulled up. Sorry about that, guys. My mom had dropped off a book for me because, you know, knowledge is power. But so back to this right here, it's like super simple to take off. Oh, there's a spider right there. Okay. I hate spiders. So it's really simple. So this piece right here just has these two screws just right there, and you just unscrew them and literally slide it up, take it out. And then this piece right here is even simpler. So it has two screws right there as well. Oh crap, it's these right here. And once you get that out, let me move these out the way actually. Like I said, same thing on this side as well. These clips just slide right on out. And when you get to the front right here, as you can see, I already started pulling it out. So that piece right there, it's just the footrest. It's two 10mm bolts, one on the top right there and one on the bottom there. And it's also Velcroed right here, so it's really simple. Just literally undo that screw right there, keep these little side pieces out, and just pull. So there is a clip right here on the side, or this right here. Just get a flathead and pry that up, and then there is a screw that sits right there. Just undo that screw. Once you do that screw right there, you can screw like a flathead screwdriver, and then get up under it on the side, and then pry it up right here. What I did was actually, when I started pulling the carpet, it like gave it a little bit of slack. So I got my finger up under there, just popped it up, take it out like that, and then you just keep on pulling. And as you guys can see, the whole carpet from essentially the whole left side is out. All right, so next thing I did after I removed all of those pieces on the center console, I removed this seat belt, little center cap. I just got a flathead and I pried that out. And then I used a 11/16 socket, and then I just put it on there and then cracked it and then removed it. So once you get that removed, it literally just slides out. It's all one piece. It looks like that right there. That piece right there. Go and zoom in a little bit. Yeah, looks like that right there. Alright guys, and last and final piece before you can remove the whole carpet. So like I said, this center console, after you remove those two screws on either side, you just gotta pull this whole center console out. But before you do, please don't yank it out all the way. because if you can see right here, it is connected. I'm not sure what that is for. I'm guessing just the power for the whole center console for the cigarette lighter and such like that. Before you take it out, there's a clip right here in the back. You just take that and pull it, and it should pop right on out. There we go, just like that. And then the whole center console is out. And that's all you gotta do, guys. So now that is the last thing that is holding that carpet down. So go and throw that in the back seat. And then the whole carpet should just come right on out. Now the moment we've all been waiting for. So I cut the carpet on that side right there, as you can see. It is not connected anymore on one side. And I can just pull this whole carpet up and out. Alright. Oof. Dirty. Just folding it all up now. Oh, it's stuck on the e-brake. Guys, that's how much water is still left in the damn car after this fucking carpet. Oh. Just look how bad this is, dude. Oh. Oh, man.